A lot of people have the idea that they can just pick any old teacher they want. Just pick a teacher, any teacher, everything will be okay. Just as long as you're sincere. God really don't care beyond that. That's the idea people have. However, when we go back to the Bible and we read verses like 2 Timothy chapter 4, verse 3 and 4, Paul would talk about those people who have itching ears and heap up teachers. There are a lot of people that go shopping until they find a teacher that teaches what they already think. They're not looking for a teacher. They're looking for a validator. They're looking for somebody to give them words of affirmation and tickle their ears so they can feel like they had it right all along. This whole world is a mess, and it's always been pretty much a mess, so don't feel guilty. It was a mess long before you got here, and chances are you've seen, if you've lived long, the continuing downhill slope that our world is in. It's not looking like it's going to get better. I don't see anybody really trying to put on the brakes. So this world is a mess, and there are a lot of false teachers out there, and there always have been. That's nothing new. And you need to be very, very careful about who you listen to. I advocate keeping an open mind, but I always come back to my anchor of a book, chapter, and verse foundation. I'll listen to anybody share their thoughts and their ideas, but in the end, if those thoughts and ideas are not in harmony with a solid book, chapter, and verse foundation, then I don't accept them. I don't incorporate those ideas into my life and my decisions and the way I practice Christianity. So at the bottom level, what I'm always looking for is that book, chapter, and verse foundation. I want to get back there to as much as possible to that original teaching that Christ and his disciples gave in the first century. And I just want to be a Christian. I don't want to go teacher shopping and shop around till I find a teacher that says things that already agree with what I think. I want to find a teacher that'll take me back to the Bible and point me to Jesus. Point me to his disciples and the original teachings and say, look, this is the best way. You just can't get any better than this. I hope you'll get back to that book, chapter, and verse foundation in your life and your practice. And as always, I hope you have a great day.